we are the students of class 7 of Kendriya Vidyalaya Voltage standing before you to present a skit on Fit India, and it also tells us about how to get physically and mentally fit and healthy. Scene 1. During lockdown, four friends discuss about their health and follow how to stay fit and healthy.
Hi friends. Hi friends. How are you?
We are fine.
I'm fine, Mita. How are you? I too fine. Hey, today's English class is superb. Yes, it is very interesting and it is about freedom. Friends, I wanted to tell you something. My mother is always holding me to go out and do exercise, but I don't want to go out during lockdown. But Juni, if you stay at home and sit at only one place, then you will get fatter. I don't go out to do exercise because I feel sophisticated in the mask and I don't like to carry the sanitizer. Sanitizer sprays a mask.
Yes, you are right, Unu. But this is quite good that we should wear a mask and move outdoors. We should maintain social distancing and also be aware not to touch anything.
Everyone is correct. So to stay fit and healthy, in home we should follow few diets. We should eat healthy and hot food. We should take vitamin D in our corridor daily. We should eat fruits which contain citric acid such as oranges. Do you know one thing? When we sit it out when it is cool, our body produces heat. And to produce heat, it burns out our calories.
Oh, we didn't know it before.
Hey friends, it is getting late for Max project. So bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Bye.
2. In Unni's house, Unni's mother is worried of Unni becoming fat.
Vinu, get ready. We must reach the place in time.
Mom, which dress should I wear, Mom? I have outgrown all my clothes. And the red dress, also does not suit me.
It is great difficult. Didn't I tell you to do exercise?
Mom, I can't go out. How can I do exercises and be lean? You are wrong, Unni. You never control your diet. You need not go out and do exercises. You can stay at home and do the exercises that the PT sir taught us. Simple exercises will do the trick.
Scene 3. In the classroom, the students discuss about their PT2 exams.
Dear student, you have your PT2 test from the next Monday. It is a pen paper test, so be prepared.
Oh my goodness, I did not even start my notes. I find it difficult to understand the test, but most of the spellings are forgotten.
Sham, our teacher have been telling us to concentrate on studies. All the stress you have played. Now what will you do?
As soon as we got our timetable, I have been trying to read and write, but my eyes are burning.
That is because of mobile games. Now don't worry. Take eye drops and instead of playing online mobile games, play brain games such as chess.
Oh, do we have time to play now?
Do some yoga and meditation. Then open your books. That will improve your health and also concentration levels. All the best.
Scene 4. During the classes, when the teacher left the meeting, everyone discussed about their health.
Hi everyone, how are you? I'm very happy. I followed the tips what you gave us, Lekha.
Yes, I'm very happy. My mother is asking me to move out. Now she's scolding me.
Okay. It's time to quit the class right now. We should attend the science class.
Okay.
In the science class, the teacher tells how to be fit and healthy.
Good morning. Today we are going to learn about the benefits of being healthy and fit. It improves your memory and brain function, protects against many chronic diseases, and weight management, lower blood pressure, and improves heart health, improves your quality of sleep, etc. So, students, did you understand
why elders will say you to move out, eat healthy, and be fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Very
ma'am.
good.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So friends, what do you learn from this skit? We have learned how to be physically and mentally fit. In this lockdown, many people are just staying at home and getting fatter. So to avoid this, we should do exercises like skipping and etc. And to be mentally fit, we have to play brain games like chess, and we should also meditate and yoga to keep our brain fresh. I hope all of you will do that and keep your mind, body and your soul healthy. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy and stay fit. Thank you.